From the roaring engines of Detroit to the silver screens of Hollywood, muscle cars have become a symbol of raw power, speed, and American pride. Buckle up, because today, we're counting down the most legendary muscle cars of all time. When you think of muscle cars, the '69 Dodge Charger instantly comes to mind. Its sleek fastback design and monstrous 440 Magnum V8 made it an icon. Whether it was tearing up the streets or jumping rivers in the Dukes of Hazzard, the Charger earned its place in automotive history. Nicknamed the King of the Streets, the Chevy SS 454 packed a jaw-dropping 450 horsepower. It could hit 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds, and in 1970, that was mind-blowing. With aggressive styling and a growl that could send chills down your spine, this car demanded respect. This wasn't just a Mustang, it was Carroll Shelby's masterpiece. Under the hood? A 428 cubic inch V8, giving it a perfect blend of elegance and brutality. Immortalized as Eleanor in Gone in 60 Seconds, the GT500 is still a dream for collectors today. If the 1960s were the birth of muscle, the late 70s kept the fire burning. Thanks to Smokey and the Bandit, the Firebird Trans Am became a pop culture phenomenon. Its T-top roof, bold graphics, and V8 engine made it the ultimate rebel's ride. Fast forward to modern times, and muscle is alive and well. The Challenger Hellcat roars with a 707 horsepower supercharged Hemi V8. Proof that American muscle didn't just survive, it evolved. So there you have it. 5 of the most legendary muscle cars ever to roll off American roads. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more epic rides on America on Wheels.